There is a specific kind of freedom to doing Disney World completely by yourself. You set the pace, you eat exactly when you want, and you breeze right onto rides using the single rider line while families wait for hours. But that manufactured magic creates a blind spot. The Disney bubble creates a sense of insulation that makes it easy to drop your guard, assuming the park itself will automatically keep you safe. Here is the reality. You are sharing that space with 50,000 daily visitors. When you are completely alone in a crowd that massive, you become the single point of failure for your own logistics. If your plan breaks down, no one is there to catch you. Look at this comparison matrix showing the tourist trap versus the intelligent solo. This breaks down exactly how standard travel advice fails at Disney and what you need to do instead. The left column identifies the vulnerabilities, relying on paper maps, carrying a bulky day bag, or letting your phone die. These analog habits slow you down and leave you exposed. Now look at the right column. The intelligent solo traveler replaces those physical liabilities with digital countermeasures, wearable tech, high-capacity power banks, and active location tracking. We need to audit the standard safety advice you have been given and forcefully upgrade it for Disney's intense logistical realities. Surviving and actually enjoying a solo Disney trip requires trading analog spontaneity up front for strict digital vigilance. That is how you guarantee a frictionless vacation. The most common piece of travel advice you will hear is to leave a printed itinerary with someone back home. That fails instantly at Disney. Ride queues fluctuate, dining reservations shift, and your schedule changes by the minute. A static piece of paper provides zero utility to someone trying to verify your safety in real time. This map shows the required upgrade, a constant digital tether. You need continuous background GPS running alongside your live park app data. By linking a tracking app with your park app, your family gets a real-time view. They know exactly when you make it out of a crowded ride queue and safely back to your resort. But there is a severe trade-off. Running constant GPS while fighting for a signal on congested park Wi-Fi will drain your battery fast. Because your park tickets, ride reservations, and payment methods all live on your phone, a dead battery triggers a total logistical collapse. You lose your ability to navigate, pay, or even enter a queue. That reality elevates a high-capacity portable charger to a primary life safety device, rather than an optional tech accessory. Achieving true safety requires a constant digital connection, and that mandates over-investing in battery redundancy before you even step foot in the park. Then there is the physical burden. When you are packed shoulder to shoulder in these claustrophobic walkways, protecting your valuables falls entirely on you. Standard advice says to hide your cash and cards in a secure anti-theft backpack. The harsh reality is that carrying a loaded backpack by yourself for 12 straight hours in the Florida humidity creates extreme physical exhaustion. This scale shows the wearable tech optimization strategy. You are weighing a heavy, high-risk backpack against a sleek, low-risk wristband utilizing digital wallets. When you ditch the physical bag, you immediately stop being a visual target for pickpockets in crowded ride queues, and your fatigue drops to zero. The trade-off here is that if you insist on bringing analog gear like a heavy DSLR camera, you have to commit to renting physical lockers at the front of the park. Minimizing your physical footprint directly reduces both your physical exhaustion and your vulnerability as a solo target. Navigating a massive, chaotic park also takes a mental toll when you don't have a partner to help read the map. You need to adopt the look like a local protocol. That means memorizing your digital walking directions before you ever leave your hotel room. Stopping in the middle of a busy thoroughfare to stare down at your phone instantly flags you as a lost, distracted, and isolated target. This leads to the ultimate physical vulnerability test for solo adults, the Epcot Festival Trap. Look at this chart plotting rising Florida temperatures against alcohol intake. Watch how quickly the line for situational awareness drops off. This intersection right here is the danger zone. Drinking in extreme heat rapidly accelerates dehydration and impairs the critical judgment you rely on to stay safe alone. You have to enforce a strict behavioral protocol on yourself. Mandatory hydration intervals between every single country you visit. When you have no backup companion to monitor your physical state, strict environmental awareness is your absolute last line of defense. Now we have to translate this data into action. Your solo trip will take one of two different paths depending on who you are. This decision tree is the scenario match. Ask yourself, What type of solo traveler are you? If you are an anxious first-timer, you follow the left path. Your immediate priority is setting up your digital bodyguards. If you are a veteran optimizer, you follow the right path to aggressively strip away analog gear and master the single rider lines. Your baseline confidence level directly dictates whether you should invest your time in psychological safety nets or logistical efficiency hacks. A solo Disney trip is never inherently safe just because it's Disney. It is only as secure as the systems you build before you arrive. Adopting these protocols replaces the typical friction of solo travel with a calculated system, allowing you to focus on the experience rather than the logistics. Travel preparation shouldn't be guesswork. It is an exercise in intelligence gathering. That is what we do here at Adventures and Abodes. We turn planning anxiety into tactical travel execution. To get your final loadout, download the Solo Disney Strategy Kit, linked in the description below. It is the final piece of armor you need for a flawless solo operation.